How to edit Wix Pro Gallery layout. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to guide you step by step how you can edit your Wix Pro Gallery layout in the Wix Editor. Now, if you are new to Wix, don't worry, I will explain everything step by step. Now let's jump into video. First thing first, what you have to do is just simply open your editor. But if you are in the Wix Studio, so if you know, Wix Studio is a different and the Wix standard editor is a very different. To access, if you are in the Wix Studio, then to access Wix standard, what you have to do is just simply select the website which you have created, and then after selecting, for in my case this is that, in my case I will choose this one. Just click on the open it. We are still in the Wix Studio, but when you click in the design side, you will be redirected to Wix standard editor. Now I am already into standard editor, so I don't need to go back and change it. Now let's open the page with your gallery. What you have to do is just simply I will add a new section. So to change the if you don't know how to add layout, sorry, how to add page pro gallery into your layout, what you have to do is just simply click on the add elements. In the elements, search for gallery. Now in the gallery you will be recommended a pro gallery. As you can see here, just drag into your section. Now I have successfully added. Now let's change the layout of the gallery. Now what you can do is just simply reposition it to into your, yeah. Now if you want to manage the media, you can just simply click on the manage media, where you can resize it. You can change the image position from third to first to first to third. You can do that. Now we are focusing on the layout more in this video. Now go into settings. Now in the setting you will get the second option, which is layout. Click on the layout. From here you can pick a lot of layout. You can customize as well. Now for this example, if you give uh, this one, the it will reposition through grid. Now if you go into slideshow, it will look like something like this. It will give you the layout of slideshow. Now for example, I will choose for this video this magic one. Let's see how it goes. No, magic one is not looking good. Now let's see how column looks. Maybe that's not good. I should choose Masonry, and then click on the customize layout. If you able to see the this button, just simply click on it. It will give you some settings of the layout, where you can design setting. You can gallery, you can give like you can use horizontal for wide angle and landscape, and landscape shots, and vertical for portrayal and the tight shots. So in this video I will choose the horizontal. This is a portrait, this is a landscape, so it will be automatically convert into landscape. So this feature is great. And if you go to design setting, there is a thumbnail size, which is you can slide to set thumbnail size for the items in your gallery. So as you can see here, if you want to change the thumbnail size, you can change it. Right now I don't want to change the size of thumbnail. Now if you want to give spacing, so spacing is like you can set the spacing between items in your gallery. It will make space between images. So basically spacing is that. Now if you go to load more buttons, now how many more image can load? All images I have selected. Now if you go to one more section, you can do that. So what does it mean? It let visitor load all images in a click or in a section. Each section is the same size as the initial gallery. So it is very simple. Just all click on the all image. Now this is how you can customize your Wix layout. And I think if you If you want to if you want to change the layout, go layout again, go back into it, select the slider. Let's try to customize the slider layout. Click on the customization. From here you can give a manual or fixed. So as you can see here, I can change the landscape as well. Now if you go into thumbnail resize, right now I will choose the fit. Now I'll choose crop, so it will automatically resize it and put into this frame. Now if you see the slide settings where you can manage your sliding settings, you can enable loop images. Viewers can scroll through images in a continuous loop, so it will never going to end. Now if you go if you want to slide automatically all of your image, just enable it. Now if you want to info bar size, you can give us that as well. Like, let's this is the info bar where you can add your info. Now these all the all setting you can explore just by coming over here. Try different layout like the collage, the grid, the thumbnails, and the strip. You can use it. Now this is how you can customize your layout. Now you know how exactly you can edit the layout in the Wix editor with Pro Gallery. Now if you found this video helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.